Well guys, I just picked up the tank. In here is the air filter and it is filthy. This does not fill me with confidence that that air filter has been changed. Yeah, I think I'll just order a new air filter. I'm going to clean this. Up. Oh dear. Anyway, I lifted it for and by the way, that is the tool you're supposed to use to hold it up, just in case you're wondering. On this particular model now, I lift it up because I need to find a thing called a vacuum tube. And seeing as I have so much knowledge of the motorcycles, so much knowledge of motorcycles, I shall find it in no time. Gotta be one of these. Yeah guys, I'm going to give this a proper clean. At some point I'll have to get engine cleaner or something to get that crap off. Not too sure about them. Anyway. Right, what I'm looking for here apparently is the vacuum tube, and I have located it. You see this tube there? That's the vacuum tube. So I have to get to that. You can see back my hand. I have to get into that, cut it, and install this into it, this T-junction. So hopefully I have the right tube because I can't undo it. So I better double check before I cut anything. Then install that. How the heck I'm going to get to that now is the question. It's right there. Okay, awkward, but look it, we can do it. Right. Wish me luck on this one because I can only do this once, and if I cut the wrong tube we're in big trouble. Okay guys, out of curiosity I opened up the air filter housing. Have a look at the air filter and it is absolutely filthy. That has not been changed in a long time. So I have ordered a new one. This will have to do temporarily till the new one arrives and then we'll swap it out. I don't know. Right. Well, nothing can be done about it for the moment, so we get on with snipping cables. Alright guys, that was an awful struggle. But if you look in there you see it is connected now. With a little straw part of it. That was a struggle. I ended up having to take the entire airbox off, the tank off. I'm just screwing it back together now. I'll give this a proper scrub and clean eventually. I cleaned it out as well inside. So hopefully next we'll run the air wire to there, but I'll get it all back together first. Right guys, so here we have it. It's primed. It's after taking 2 bottles of Scottoiler, so hopefully we should have many thousands of kilometers of hassle-free riding. Now, having one of these does not mean ignoring your chain. You should always do your maintenance on your chain and check it every few hundred kilometers maybe. Anyway, so I'm just checking. There's a bit of drip there, but that's my fault because this thing overflowed when I was filling it. I was squeezing too hard. And right, we're going to start her up. Make sure it's in neutral. Yeah. So there you have it. Let's see how it's dripping. Now it's supposed to be one drip every 2 minutes. Right, there's one, or one drip a minute. There's one drip. Okay, it's dripping a bit too fast, so I'm going to adjust that. Guys, there we have it. It is dripping at 1 drip per minute, as required by the specifications. So what I'm going to do now is tidy this all up with a few cable ties and put my bike back together, clean this chain. I got chain wax on it, so I'm going to clean that all off so that Scottoiler can take effect on it, and then take it for a quick spin, get the oil onto it, and happy days. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next one. Who knows what I'll do next? I have no idea myself.